हे गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल लिविंग थ्रू द लेंस। अभी इंडिया में कोविड सेकेंड वेव के कारण बहुत ही ख़राब हालत है एंड ऑल द पीपल एंड गवर्नमेंट आर ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव द कंडीशन, बट देर इज़ वन स्टेट उड़ीसा who is doing well and trying very hard to come out of this situation. So in this video we will talk about the actions taken by Odisha in fighting against second wave of COVID-19. Before going into the details, उड़ीसा के ज्योग्राफी के बारे में भी जानना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। उड़ीसा इंडिया के ईस्ट कोस्ट में पड़ता है and is very prone to the natural calamities like flood, cyclones, heat wave, etc. etc. Some of the past calamities were super cyclone in 1999, flood in 2001, फनी साइक्लोन, एम्फन साइक्लोन एंड राइट नाउ जब मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ तो यस साइक्लोन इज़ अबाउट टू कम। इसलिए इतने डिज़ास्टर फेस करते करते उड़ीसा हैव डेवलप्ड अ वेरी गुड स्किल इन फेसिंग द कैलेमिटीज़ एंड हैंडलिंग द डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट. So the same applies with COVID-19 disaster management, and just like last year, this year also they are working very proactively in fighting against COVID second wave. इंडिया में कोविड सेकेंड वेव का पीक अराउंड मार्च से स्टार्ट हो रहा था एंड उससे पहले ही इट हैज़ ऑलरेडी बिगन इन यूरोप. सो द उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड ट्रेसिंग द पीपल हु वेर कमिंग फ्रॉम यूके एंड सेंड देयर सैम्पल्स टू चेक द एंट्री ऑफ यूके म्यूटेटेड स्ट्रेन इन उड़ीसा. In fact, Odisha government has declared the ban from the New Year's celebration itself. Also, from 1st April, they have sealed their border with Chhattisgarh because the cases were rising in Chhattisgarh. And anybody who were coming into the state of Odisha need to provide the COVID negative reports. अब बात करते हैं सेकेंड वेव में दो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ों के बारे में. फर्स्ट इज़ ऑक्सीजन एंड अदर इज़ वैक्सीनेशन. ऑक्सीजन का बात करें तो उड़ीसा ना ही सिर्फ अपना डोमेस्टिक रिक्वायरमेंट पूरा कर रहा था, बट दे वर ऑल्सो सप्लाइंग ऑक्सीजन टू द अदर स्टेट्स लाइक यूपी, एमपी, महाराष्ट्र, हरियाणा, आंध्र प्रदेश, दिल्ली, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. Actually, the daily consumption of oxygen is 40 to 50 metric ton in Odisha, and their daily production is 350 metric ton. The reason being they have a large number of steel plants, and that's why they have a sufficient supply of oxygen. Talking about the vaccination, Odisha is trying very hard to vaccinate all its people, and they have announced to spend 2,000 crore rupees and provide free vaccination for all its population. More than 65 lakh people are vaccinated in Odisha, and daily they are vaccinating around 3 lakh people. To ramp up the vaccination drive, Odisha government has floated a global e-tender to supply 3.8 crore vaccination to them. इसका मतलब उड़ीसा ना ही सिर्फ अपने सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और इंडिया के कंपनीज पर डिपेंडेंट है, बट दे आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग वैक्सीनेशन फ्रॉम वेर एवर कंट्रीज पॉसिबल. उड़ीसा हैज़ रिकॉग्नाइजेज बैंक स्टाफ, फॉरेस्ट ऑफिशियल, लॉजिस्टिक कंपनीज एज फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स सो दैट जो लोग ज़्यादा एक्सपोज्ड हैं उन्हें वैक्सीनेशन पहले मिल सके. दे आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग वैक्सीनेशन टू बेगर्स एंड साधुज ताकि जिनके पास कोई आई कार्ड नहीं है उन सबको भी वैक्सीनेशन मिल सके. फॉर एल्डर पीपल दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग डोर टू डोर वैक्सीन्स एंड इवन कलेक्टिंग सैम्पल्स फ्रॉम देयर डोर फॉर टेस्टिंग. देयर प्लान इज़ टू वैक्सीनेट ऑल इट्स पीपल इन नेक्स्ट 3 to 4 months. अब उड़ीसा के हॉस्पिटल्स के बारे में बात करते हैं. उड़ीसा हैज़ अराउंड 70 डेडिकेटेड कोविड हॉस्पिटल्स in which the bed capacity is around 12,000. Apart from this, they have also COVID care center in which the bed capacity is 22,000 and also temporary medical center in which the bed capacity is 36,000. So overall they have around 73,000 beds with oxygen supply. But since the cases are still rising in Odisha, so they are doing a tie-up with the hotels like Ginger, Lemon Tree, etc. etc. They have also started the real-time bed tracking system to check the bed availability. The government has installed GPS system in the ambulances to track them and also for the quick transfer of patients. Odisha government have also their online portals where anyone can view the list of hospital as per different districts, helpline number, test results and any other important information. So in this way they are using technology and analytics to fight against the COVID-19. The government have also decided to cancel the exams of class 10th and 12th. In Odisha, 15 journalists have lost their lives. so government is also providing compensation for them. The state government have also decided to not conduct any election rallies and campaign for the by-election seat in Pipli, which is also a very good move unlike the other states of India. So all this information were mainly on the second wave. अब उड़ीसा के फर्स्ट वेव के बारे में ही बात करते हैं. Odisha has done very well in the first wave in 2020 and World Health Organization have also appreciated its effort. Odisha was the first state to take strict measures against COVID first wave and जब उड़ीसा में एक भी केस नहीं आया था, then they have started to close public places on 13th March. Then they were the first state to establish one of the country's biggest COVID hospital with thousands bed capacity. One of the major challenges in first wave was the quarantine of migrant workers. So Odisha has done a setup of around 18,000 quarantine center to accommodate more than 8 lakh workers. They have also given 2,000 rupees incentive to complete the 14-day quarantine. The Odisha government have also given 50 lakh package to the health workers, and to keep them motivated, they have provided 4 months advance salary and extra compensation. They have also involved NGOs and self-help groups under Mission Shakti, जिसमें they were spreading awareness on COVID-19 and also engaging different people for social services. For example, to address the scarcity of masks, many women under Mission Shakti have came together to stitch around 1 million masks. So these are the major initiatives and actions of Odisha in the first and second wave, which other Indian states can also learn. ऐसा नहीं है कि उड़ीसा में सब कुछ बहुत परफेक्ट हो गया है. Nowadays also the daily cases are increasing like anything, and in spite of all these efforts, they are facing many difficulties and they have their own problems too, but they are trying to tackle the situation. So if you have liked this video, please share with your friends and let us know your thought on, is there any other state or place who is doing better than Odisha? And if they are not doing, then what's the reason behind it? Jai Hind.